Hi, my name's Paul Ivans and I'm one of the directors here at the Mortgage Hub. And today I'm with Adam Betson, who heads up the department. And what we want to talk to you about today is our 12-step plan. The importance of preparation before applying for a mortgage is absolutely key to being able to achieve to get the best deal out there for you. What do people need to look for when they look to start to apply for a mortgage, Adam?
The first time that I meet somebody, genuinely they think they know exactly what they're going to happen. And most of the time people do have a little bit of an idea. What they're not familiar with is the whole process that might be involved in buying a property. So what we've come up with is our 12-step plan. The 12-step plan encompasses making sure that we can get you the right mortgage, make sure that you're protected in your home as well. It's not just getting you into the property, but it's also about being able to stay in the property, being able to maintain your lifestyle. But there's also lots and lots of hoops to jump through when you're buying a property. You've got solicitors, you've got estate agents, you've got surveys, all of those things we can control. And our 12-step plan is designed to make sure that everything goes as seamlessly as possible and that it puts you in the best financial position possible to buy the property that you're looking for.
So on our 12-step plan, how would it help someone in terms of, does it give them a good idea of each step that they need to make, not just on the application, but before the application and after the application?
Absolutely, yeah. Before you meet an advisor, it's a good idea to have all your ducks in a row. And one of the things that we do advise everybody to get together before coming to see us is at least income and outgoings. Mortgages are very much budget driven and we have access to the whole of the market. And I can tell you now that lots of different banks and building societies will look at individual circumstances differently. We have the knowledge, the experience to know exactly which lender is going to be in the best position to help you. But what we'd ask for you before that is to just get a good idea of what you've got coming in each month and what you've got going out each month so that we can work out which of those options is going to be the most favourable for you. By the time we're sat down having our first meeting, we'll have a very, very good idea of how best to steer you in the right direction.
Okay. So basically our 12-step plan will take you from the very beginnings, prior to making an application, to making an application, and what we can then do in order to help get you to completion of contracts. And what I would recommend is within the link here, we'll put a link to our 12-step plan. Please feel free to download it. It's completely free of charge. There is no obligation attached to it at all, but it will offer and give you a great deal of information about applying for a mortgage in today's marketplace. If you would like to know or hear more from us, please feel free to give us a call on 0121 323 4999.